London. Perhaps not surprisingly, London is the most popular tourist destination in the UK. Over half of all the visitors to the UK from overseas come to London. That's about 15 million people a year. London definitely has a lot to offer, especially when it comes to tourist attractions. There's the London Eye, Buckingham Palace, and the Tower of London, of course. But there is also the National Gallery, the British Museum, the Tate Modern, the Natural History Museum, the Victoria and Albert Museum, and Madame Tussauds. Add to all this the beautiful architecture of St Paul's Cathedral and Westminster Abbey, plus the famous shopping streets of Oxford Street, the King's Road, and the West End nightlife. And it's easy to see why people come from all over the world to visit this amazing city.